Hi friends, today I'm gonna explain how to find a node given a graph. First of all, I will start with explaining the code in here. For finding the graph, I use the breadth first search. Also you can use the depth first search or some other searching algorithms. It doesn't matter. And there is an ice cream. There is an ice cream containing one of these nodes, and we pick these nodes actually. Now I added ice cream in the zero not zero, and I started the search from 4. First of all, I will explain what's this code. In here I created a graph. uh, G is a class, and this class containing an add edge function, and this function is working like that. We took first the node, and this node is going to some edge, which means it's going 1, and 0 0 comma 1 means from 0 to 1 there is an edge, and I added in here 1 to 0 also from 1 to 0 edge, so it is bidirectional. You can go from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, and this graph is also bidirectional. You can go from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, 1 to 3, 3 to 1. And let me explain what's going on inside this code. First, we we created a graph with using this function, and then in this graph we will search the ice cream. This function in here, breadth first search, will try to search to find the ice cream. First we made all the node visited false, which means all the nodes are not visited, and then and then we declare the queue. We will, when we visit this node, we will include the nodes inside here, and we appended we appended all the not all the we appended the starting node to our queue. Now it means we appended 4. Then we make the 4 is true. Let me compile this code. uh, this is the output when we print it. This is the our queue array. In here, when we when we come to when we come first, we printed out the mother node, which is the first node, I mean root. We printed the root first, then we are going to an for loop. This for loop is it means for every element inside this graph S, we are doing operations. We are doing the breadth first search operations. uh, we started from 4, and we are going 3 and 2, and we we in first we already pop out the 4. I mean, it will be like that 4, and it will be an empty it will be an empty array. And when we come here, 3 is not visited, 4 is visited now, and 3 is not visited. We add 3, and we are going to also 2 is not visited, we are adding 2. Then we came to here, we came to second part, and now we look 3 is visited, so we will pop out 3, 4, 3, and when we came to 3 is here, we added the 1 because 1 is adjacent to 1 is adjacent to 3, and 4 is adjacent to 3, but we didn't add 4 because 4 is already visited, so we add the 1. Then we are going to now 2. When we look the adjacent of the 2, 1 and 0 is 1 and 0 is adjacent, so we will print it 4, 3. When we print 2, we will add 1 and 0. 1 is already added, and we find it the 0 because the ice cream is 0, so we will just print it out 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and when we find the ice cream in 0, we will print the 0. So it will go like that. It first go to here, then go to here, then it prints out here, it will go here, and when we came to here, it will print out 0. Now I will show you another example. For example, we will make is it is again starting from 4, and this time it will find the ice cream in node 1. So then it will come to here. Let me recompile again, save and recompile. Now what did this do? I will not show the Q array this time. I will just erase this print part and recompile it. Now it is 4, 3, 2, and when it comes to 1, it breaks the loop, and when it breaks the loop, it will not go to, of course it will not go to 0, because then we do the same thing. We pop out the 4 and we added 3, 2. When we arrive in here, we print out 4, 3. When we go out 2, it will go out 1 because the ice cream is in the node 1, in the node 1. So let me show you another example. For example, I want to start from 1 and go to 4, and when we do it, it will goes like that. From 1, vertex 1, there are paths to 0, 2, and 3. Now it will go 0, 2, and 3. First it will go 0, then 0 will look at 2, 1. Actually not 0 will look at. We will first go to 0, 2, and 3, and we will pop out these 0, 2, 3. Then we will make the 0, we will look at the 0, but 1 and 2 is already visited, so we will not append 1 and 2 again to our Q array, and we will go to 2, and when we come to 2, it will find the 4, and it will print it out 4, and it will stop the while loop. That's all for the explanation. Thank you for listening to me.